Hi everyone. Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to connect an Excel file to BarTender for dynamic label printing. Let's get started. After launch, BarTender Designer, create a new simple design. Insert text field and barcode. As per design, I have created an Excel file. Start Data Connection Setup. Click on File, then click Database Connection Setup. In the Database Connection Setup window, click Add and choose Excel Workbook. Click Next. Browse to your Excel file and select it. Click Next. Preview the data to ensure the correct rows and columns are detected. Click Finish. Double-click the text object to open its properties. In the Properties window, select Data Source, Database field. Choose the desired column from your Excel data. Click OK. Click Print Preview to see labels populated with your Excel data. Save your BarTender template for future use. And that's how you connect an Excel file to BarTender for dynamic label printing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.